Welsh Rugby has turned to one of its own to lead a long-overdue revival. Steve Tandy has been appointed head coach of the Wales men's national team on a 3-year deal, tasked with restoring pride, identity and competitiveness ahead of the 2027 Rugby World Cup. The 45-year-old takes charge from September 1st, heading into a role vacated by Warren Gatland during a turbulent Six Nations campaign. With Wales slumping to a record losing streak and crashing to 12th in the world rankings, the WRU opted for a reset, and Tandy, known for his tactical discipline and player development, was the standout candidate from a pool of over 130 applicants.
We need to re-establish faith and trust and confidence here for all of us, for our partners, for our stakeholders, for our rugby family as a whole.
Tandy leaves his role as Scotland's defence coach, where he earned wide acclaim since 2019, and brings experience from stints with Ospreys, Wattaras and the British and Irish Lions. WRU Director of Rugby Dave Redding praised his journey, saying Steve is an outstanding coach who has proven he can adapt, evolve and lead. Interim coach Matt Sherratt ended Wales's 18-game losing streak with a second Test win in Japan earlier this month. He could remain on staff as Tandy finalises his backroom team. The Tonmawr native becomes the first Welshman to hold the role permanently since Gareth Jenkins in 2007. While Redding insisted nationality wasn't a deciding factor, he admitted it's a bonus that he's Welsh, he'll feel the responsibility. Wales will host Argentina, Japan, New Zealand and South Africa this autumn as Tandy begins shaping a team capable of mixing it with the best. Can we be number one for the next decade? No, but we can be a top 5 nation, challenging for titles and beating top teams 100%, Redding added. Tandy inherits a side low on confidence but rich in potential. Now the task is clear: rebuild the culture, reignite belief and prove that Welsh rugby still belongs among the world elite.